guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Drishti Vohra. If you are new here, then make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe to my channel right now. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you some tips and tricks on how to ace the base. I know a lot of you have asked me this, that how is my base always so flawless? It's because I have been researching about how to make your base so flawless, and I've been using some techniques which you all can also use and achieve a flawless base like mine. So if you are someone who's struggling doing their base, then you should definitely watch this video till the end, because I'm going to be giving you some really cool tips and tricks, and if you follow those, you will definitely ace the base. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. Alright guys, so let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do before you do your foundation is your skin prep. Yes, that is very important, and a lot of people do not take time on doing their skin prep, which is why their base is not flawless and it becomes patchy. So if you want to avoid that, you need to spend time on your skin prep, and that's literally the only way you can achieve a flawless base. So this is my bare skin right now, and I have not done anything, and I'm going to be doing it with you guys. So the first product that I'm going to be using is the Dabur Gulabari. So I have transferred it in this bottle because it's more convenient, and I cannot use it from the bottle because there's literally no spray. So I use it from this bottle, and I'm going to spray it all over my face now. So you have to start patting it into your skin, because that's how the product is going to be absorbed. And if you don't pat it into your skin, then you're just wasting the product because your skin is not absorbing it. So make sure to pat all the product in. So when you're done using the toner, you have to use a moisturizer which hydrates your skin really well. So I am someone who has a super duper dry skin, and if you are someone like that, then you should definitely go for like thick moisturizers which just hydrate really well. Of course, it should not be sticky, and your skin should absorb the product in order to make your base look flawless. So the moisturizer that suits my skin, because I have a sensitive skin, is the Cetaphil moisturizing cream, and this retails for 508 rupees. You can get it on a discount from Nykaa because it's always on a discounted rate. So I'm just gonna put some dots on my face, and then I'm gonna start absorbing the product into my skin really well. So take some time to absorb the product into your skin. Do not be in a hurry, because if you just apply a moisturizer and just leave it, it's not gonna help. So the next step is to prime your face really well. You have to do this step. You cannot skip it or miss it. I know a lot of people do that, which is why they do not get that flawless finish, because primer basically creates a barrier between your skin and the foundation that you apply. And if you just straight away apply foundation, your skin will start breaking out because you do not want to put in all the product into your skin. So to basically lock the pores, you have to use a primer, and you decide a primer according to your skin type. So if you are someone who has an oily skin, then you can go for a mattifying primer, and if you are someone with a dry skin, then you can go for something which is hydrating. So I'm going to be going in with the Swiss Beauty Flawless Moisture Primer. So this primer retails for 649 rupees only, and again, if you buy it from Nykaa, it's always going to be on a discount, and you get 80 ml of this product, and it's so good that it just makes my skin super duper hydrated. So if you are a dry skin, go for this one. I'm just going to take some on my finger, 3 pumps. Again, this step is very important because you need to create that barrier between your skin and the foundation. So after you're done priming your face, the next step is to use your foundation. Now again, the foundation depends on every skin type. If you're a dry skin, then you should go for something which is hydrating, and if you are an oily skin, then go for something which is mattifying. And I'm going to be going in with the Swiss Beauty Airbrush Finish Full Coverage Foundation. This is in the shade Golden Beige. So I'm just going to take 2 pumps of the foundation, because less is more, and you do not want to make your face look cakey. Now guys, with a damp beauty blender, you have to blend everything out. You cannot use a dry beauty blender because it will not give that good finish, and your foundation will become patchy. So with a light hand, you have to start patting the product into your skin. Don't rub it, always pat it. So now to set my base, I'm going to be going with the Makeup Fixer Pack Micro Finish. So I love using this makeup fixer because it's so lightweight and the particles are so small. It doesn't even feel like you've put a makeup fixer, but still it sets the base really well. Now again, I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and just blend it all over once again. Do you guys see how flawless my base is looking? Because firstly, I've done a great skin prep. Secondly, I have used a good primer according to my skin type. And thirdly, I have used a good foundation which is according to my skin type, and then used a makeup fixer because that's very important. So these are the main steps that you have to follow before you do your base, and if you do not do that, it's not gonna look flawless at all, and it's again gonna look patchy. So guys, that's it for today, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you guys want me to make more such videos, then do let me know in the comments below. I would love to create such videos for you all. Also, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back soon with more such videos. Bye.